Hello and welcome to FredExcel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to filter in Microsoft Excel. Given a sample data here, we'll start by first inserting the table. And to achieve that, click within your data and hit on the table button in the Insert tab. This Create Table dialog box will pop up, and here our table has headers. So we'll check this box here and then click on OK to insert our table into the data. Also, now let's undo. You could use the shortcut key Ctrl+T to do the trick. So you hit on the Ctrl key and the T key to insert your table. Okay. Now you'll notice these drop-down icons that appear right at the lower right corner of our headers. These icons will allow you to filter your data. So now let's filter by text here by filtering out, say, the participants that are based in Ghana. So you hit on this drop-down icon here, and once you do that, the list of all the countries represented in the data will show here. Next, you uncheck the Select All icon here to deselect all the countries here and check only Ghana. Then click on OK, and bingo! You have your data filtering out only the participants that are based in Ghana here. So let's clear filter and let's filter by numbers now. Over here, we have the working experience of the interviewees, and say we want to filter out those whose working experience is 5 years and above. Again, hit on this drop down icon. Then from the number filters button here, select greater than or equal to. Since our criteria is 5 years and above, you enter 5 in this space and click OK. Once that is done, you would have your data nicely filtered, giving you a unique data of interviewees with working experience of 5 years and above. We can also do same for dates. Here, let's filter out those whose interview date is after the 13th of December. We'll again hit on this drop down icon, then at the date filters icon here, click on after, and then select 13th December here and hit on OK to filter out your search. So from the data here, you can see that our unique data shows dates after the 13th of December. We could likewise uncheck dates before and on the 13th. That's the 10th, 11th, and 13th. And then once we are done, we hit on OK to filter out our data. Thank you for joining in and keep practicing with us. See you in our next video.